Innovation is happening right under our noses, no matter where we are in the world. Let's take a look at some groundbreaking technologies in development around the globe. We begin in northern Italy to discover an IoT solution that's truly hive-tech. A startup called 3B has developed connected sensors that monitor bee colonies in real time. The goal is to help bees thrive in our rapidly changing environment and prevent disease from wiping them out. The devices are inserted inside and below the hives, where they gather data on their weight, temperature, humidity, sounds, and odors. A software platform uses this information to gauge the health of the bees and alert beekeepers to steps they can take to improve conditions. This also helps them maximize the bees' honey production and boost their sales. The 3B sensors are lightweight, easy to transport, adaptable to any type of hive, and don't irritate the bees in any way. That makes them an invaluable tool for saving a species that's critical to our ecosystem and our economy. Next, we travel to London to get cooking in the kitchen of the future. This is a concept called Kit by design shop Future Facility. It's made up of networked kitchen appliances that save space and reduce waste and look good in the process. They all connect to a smartphone app that allows for maximum control, easy maintenance, and convenience. The pieces are also modular, so they can be rearranged as needed to fit any given space or aesthetic. And they come with built-in countertops and shelves, which makes redesigning the kitchen quick and inexpensive. Kit is loaded with the modern sensibilities that make time in the kitchen something to look forward to. Our last stop is Helsinki for a smartphone app that brings a new dimension to artistic endeavors. Grib makes it quick and easy to create digital 3D models using augmented reality. Just sketch out a basic shape on a piece of paper and hover your smartphone's camera over it. The Grib app makes that two-dimensional image pop off the page as a three-dimensional object that's fully customizable. You can change its color, size, orientation, volume, and a whole lot more with some simple pinches and swipes of your screen. You can then build complex 3D models out of the shapes you create in augmented reality and even collaborate with others in the process. Best of all, the designs are easy to export to a 3D printer where they can be brought into the real world. Grib is the ideal tool for creatives to sketch and prototype without the need for complicated modeling software. And that's our wrap of the top innovations from around the world.